Hi guys! Welcome back to the channel. Today we are headed over to see the Merdeka building here in Kuala Lumpur.
Merdeka 118. It's currently the second tallest building in the world behind Burj Khalifa in Dubai.
So we've never been here before. We haven't gone there yet. So we are taking you with us today and we are going to explore the walkthrough to get to that area.
Yeah, it's kind of cool. We've linked together, or they've linked together, and we figured it out that if we start here at Avenue K Mall, we can actually walk through Avenue K and then Suria, and it connects to the Bukit Bintang Walkway, which is an air-conditioned walkway. So we can kind of walk a good distance in air conditioning on the way there, which is pretty nice.
Yeah. So it's warm here in Kuala Lumpur.
Yes,
Today actually is not bad.
Yeah, the clouds are helping us out, and
yeah.
It was a rainy day yesterday, so the humidity's high, but it's not as hot because it's not sunny.
So the walkway should be nice since it's air conditioned. So we're thinking that may be a nice way to walk over there and kind of get away from the heat for a while.
Yeah.
So you are coming with us. Hopefully you enjoy this video and we'll see what we see.
Yes.
So now we're just outside of the convention center. So you walk through the mall, it leads you out here.
And you go through like an underground labyrinth and it brings you out through the convention center.
Yeah. This is actually where the Bukit Bintang Walkway actually starts.
Yeah, and it's like a raised walkway for this portion.
All that you see over there, that's where we're headed. So it's kind of nice. It's all closed off, air conditioned.
You don't have to cross any streets.
Which is very nice.
This walkway actually leads us to another mall called Pavilion. So we'll be walking into another mall after we get past this walkway.
Exactly. So, all right. So this walkway is really nice. It's very clean. Considering that it's a Saturday, it's not that crowded, and the AC is nice.
Feels really nice, and it rains a lot here. So like the other day when we walked through this, came over to the Pavilion Mall, it was pouring rain. So I can't imagine having to walk outside. When we have this option, it's really awesome to be able to be protected from the sun and the rain and the warmth.
Yes. So we just exited the Pavilion Mall, and there's tons of activity happening out here. They're still decorated for Christmas. This is just a few days after Christmas, but it's still so pretty. There's like no, there's just music going on. It's really nice and light. So
it's super nice.
we're making our way. We're figuring out which direction we need to go now to go to Merdeka. So let's go. So we are getting a glimpse of Merdeka right there. So this area, we haven't been to this area. This is the Bukit Bintang area, and it is alive. There's lots of people and activity here.
This is a really popular area to stay as well. For our first time though, we wanted to stay at KLCC, and we were fortunate enough to, from our balcony, we do have a view of the Petronas Towers. And that's what we really, really wanted for our first time.
Lots happening here. Yeah, this area is so busy. I mean, it is Saturday, so we do expect people to be out, but wow. Very, very different from the area that we are staying in. There's lots of shops, lots of stores, people. So very interesting. Merdeka right there. So we started out right over there where the Petronas Towers are. And
this
now
was about a 55-minute walk from our place, but we wanted to walk. It's nice enough out, and truly, for a good portion of it, we were kind of in underground walkways or walking through malls, so it wasn't bad at all.
we're getting close. This is actually a stadium. Stadium Nagara. I do not like the look of those clouds. Merdeka 118. All right,
We
it is
made it.
right here.
Second tallest building in the world. Over 2,200 feet tall.
It is really impressive to see. It is
Yeah.
really, really pretty.
It
There's
is.
lots of construction going next door. I don't know what they're building there, but
There's a train line stop that's right here, so we could take the train home if we wanted to, but we'll probably just walk, look for a coffee shop in the area or something. But yeah, super impressive building. It's beautiful.
it is very beautiful.
Yeah.
And
It's closed today. It's a Saturday today, so we didn't have any intentions of going up anyway, but we wanted to come by and see it and walk up to it, and it's awesome.
it's a really nice day, although the clouds look a little dark, like it's going to rain, but the cloud has been nice so that we're not in the sun while we're walking. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, coming with us to discover this beautiful building, second tallest in the world,
Yeah.
and walking through the streets of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
It's a really awesome city. We've really enjoyed our time so far, and we're excited for the rest of our time here. It's very advanced, very modern. The food has been excellent. The people are super nice. Everyone we've encountered speaks English, and we haven't had any trouble at all navigating. There's great transit, and the streets are easy to walk, very clean. So we're loving our time here.
Yeah. Feel free to leave a comment down below, like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already for more of our travel adventures.
And slow travel with us.
Bye.
Bye.